Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time price slices. I'll let you this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking Bitcoin on a very routine basis, did it yesterday right around 24 hours ago, and now there's certainly some updates here that need to be made. For those of you that have watched the past videos, you've heard me talk time and time again about, hey, 77.50 is that level of support, and it was doing a great job of holding as support. However, today, the bears finally won out, and you can see they broke below it right there, and the rest has been history. Down it goes. And now as I currently speak, remember the crypto markets are open 24 hours a day, so depending on when you see this video, the chart may look a little bit different. But the point here is right now the price is essentially doing battle with this next level of support. So without doubt, some updates certainly need to be done here. First update is based on a foundational rule in charting. I'm actually just going to get rid of that line up there for now. But this first update is based on a foundational rule, like I was saying, and that rule revolves around the fact that when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So if the price does start to bounce back up, 77.50 is now that initial area of resistance that the bulls are going to have to fight back through. So 77.50, newest area of resistance. That's going to be the only resistance I talk about, because as it stands right now, really the key priority is, first off, is this next level of support going to hold? So far, so good. Like I said, the price is currently doing battle with it and hanging right around this area. But this is right here around 73.50, give or take a little bit. So that is the current level of support. Now, in the event that level does not hold, we need to go on a search for the next potential area of support. So again, if that 73.50 mark does not hold, next level of support looking like down there around the 6,800 mark. Now, I'm not saying that the price is going to drop straight down there. Then again, I guess this is Bitcoin, so you never know. But that would be the next key overall area of support, and this is coming, going back to way back here in early February when that pretty crazy move happened. But that is the current status of things right now. The bears went out, finally got a break down below there, and that's what's essentially unleashed the downwards momentum. But as it's done in the past, so far so good. This level held, and right now it is holding. And the one interesting dynamic is the last time it was down around this area, a very, very nice bounce ensued. Now, I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen here, just because there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But point being, the price is currently at a very important level. So yeah, I'm very curious to see where this chart will be at 24 hours from now when I come back to do the update. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.